Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster.com. So first of all, open Ticketmaster.com. You will see this dashboard and you will see all of the upcoming events, the events that are going to occur in the future. And all you have to do if you want to sell tickets, all you have to do is click on this sell button and a new page will open. So there are some rules to sell tickets in Ticketmaster. So first of all, they will tell you how to do it. For example, there are 3 steps. Select the tickets to sell if you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled resale. So you will be only able to resell the tickets if the organizer has enabled the resale for the event. Then you'll be easily able to sell your tickets. And then you have to set your price. So if the organizer has enabled the resale, you can set any price you want. Set your price using our pricing tool and see exactly how much you will be paid when you sell the tickets, and after that you will get paid. So all you have to do is sign into this Ticketmaster.com with your account, go to my tickets, and in my ticket section you will be able to sell your tickets. And that's how you can sell tickets on Ticketmaster. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.